English Podcast Boost. Learn, speak, improve.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast Boost. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Alex. We're happy you're here today. Let's practice English together.
Hi, Alex. How are you today?
Hi, Sarah. I'm good. And you?
I'm good too. But I'm very hungry.
Me too. I didn't eat much today.
Really? Then let's go to a restaurant.
Great idea. I love restaurants.
I know a nice restaurant near the park.
Is the food good?
Yes, the food is very good, and the people are very nice.
Perfect. Let's go.
Good evening. Welcome.
Good evening.
Hello.
How many people?
2, please.
This way, please.
Thank you.
Here is your table.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Here are your menus.
Thank you.
This is a nice restaurant.
Yes, I like it.
It's clean and quiet.
And I like the music.
Me too.
Wow, there are many foods.
Yes, look. Pizza, pasta, soup, salad, chicken, fish, rice.
I like chicken.
I like soup.
What do you want to drink?
I would like a glass of water.
I would like orange juice.
Good choice.
Thank you.
What food do you want?
I would like grilled chicken and rice.
That sounds good.
What about you?
I would like tomato soup and a small salad.
Nice.
Maybe I want dessert later.
Me too. I like chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake is my favorite.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are.
What would you like to eat?
I would like tomato soup and a small salad, please.
Tomato soup and a small salad. Thank you. And you?
I would like grilled chicken and rice, please.
Very good. What would you like to drink?
A glass of water, please.
Orange juice, please.
Great. I'll bring your food and drinks soon.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I like this restaurant.
Me too. The people are very nice.
And the restaurant is very clean.
Yes. I want to come here again.
Me too.
Here is your tomato soup.
Thank you.
And here is your grilled chicken and rice.
Wow, it looks very good.
Your water. And your orange juice.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
It smells very nice.
My chicken looks delicious.
Let's eat.
Yes, I'm very hungry.
The soup is very good.
Really?
Yes, I like it very much.
My chicken is very good too.
Is the rice good?
Yes, the rice is soft and tasty.
Great.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I do. I cook 3 or 4 times a week.
Really? What do you cook?
I cook pasta, rice, chicken, and soup.
Nice. I don't cook very often.
That's okay. You can learn.
Maybe you can teach me.
Sure.
This chicken is so good.
I'm happy we came here today.
Me too. It's a nice restaurant.
I'm full now.
Me too. The food was very good.
Yes, I really liked the soup.
And I loved the chicken.
Alex,
Yes?
do you still want chocolate cake?
Yes. I always have room for dessert.
Me too.
Would you like some dessert?
Yes, please. 1 chocolate cake.
We can share it.
Of course. Here's your chocolate cake.
Wow, it looks so nice.
It smells wonderful.
It's very good.
You're right. I like it too.
I'm very happy today.
Me too. We had good food and a nice time.
We should come here again.
Yes, maybe next weekend.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Can we have the bill, please?
Of course. One moment, please. Here's your bill.
It's not expensive.
That's nice.
I'll pay today.
Really?
Yes, next time you can pay.
Deal.
Here you are.
Thank you.
This chicken is so good.
Thank you very much. Have a nice evening.
Thank you. You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Today we learned how to order food, ask for drinks, and pay the bill in English.
These are simple sentences, but they are very useful in real life.
The next time you go to a restaurant, try using some of these English phrases.
Don't worry if you make mistakes. Just keep speaking and keep practicing.
Every small step helps you become a better English speaker.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
We hope you enjoyed today's conversation.
See you in the next episode of English Podcast Boost.
Until next time, take care.
And keep learning English every day.
Bye.
Bye.